Today's highlights 今日精彩预告。
它很像那个加碧琪的感觉，还是用 pistachios。I use pistachios to add the crispy texture into it. 好特别哦，它不甜哎，它不甜，好吃。这是雪之恋 ，This is from a Japanese brand that is really popular. 红到爆炸的杜拜巧克力 is blowing up the internet. It's chocolate in Dubai. Dubai. 陈玉今天要开箱试吃评价的是爱买的，现在网络红到爆炸的杜拜巧克力。Today we're doing an open box tasting and review for this is blowing up the internet. It's chocolate in Dubai. Dubai chocolate. And I got it from A-Mart again. I couldn't find it in Family Mart. I couldn't find it in 7-Eleven. I couldn't find it in convenience store. I'm surprised it's so viral and McDonald's, KFC haven't caught a win of it as they usually do with viral food items. 很奇怪的是，便利超商都没找到，我居然又在爱买找到了。这是雪之恋 ，This is from a Japanese brand that is really popular. It's pistachio and Dubai chocolate flavor. 里面有开心果哎，里面有开心果哎，哇 ！It has pistachio, this is awesome. 它叫品名叫点心麻糬开心果 and 杜拜巧克力风味，奶素的净重有120公克，然后成分有麦芽糖、糯米粉、砂糖、白巧克力风味酱，然后椰子油、面丝、开心果酱、天然香料跟防腐剂、菠菜粉。鼠淀粉、抗氧化剂、棕榈油、脂肪酸、甘油脂、玉米糖胶，就这样。So the ingredients not too complicated. It's pretty simple. It has maltose, glutinous rice, flour, sugar, white chocolate, flavor filling, coconut oil, wheat, pistachio nut paste, natural flavor preservative, antioxidant, palm oil, mono, and triglycerides or fatty acids, and that's pretty much it. So it's good. Let's try it. This is blowing up the internet. 这个超红的，网络爆炸到。很奇怪的是，麦当劳跟肯德基这些快餐店至今还没有出杜拜巧克力的甜点，这很奇怪。他们肯德基也出了香菜蛋挞，据说很难吃。但是还没有，它是这样一包一包的。来，你要一人一个，试试看。好啊，你先吃，我再吃。我先吃啊。长这样哈，麻糬。它摸起来是软的 ，it's soft in texture. It's mochi. 好特别哦，它不甜哎，它不甜，好吃。哦，这里面脆脆的，有那个 pistachio 的脆度，很天然的。It's very natural. It's not sweet. It has a hint of sweetness, but not too sweet. It's crispy in the inside. 它很像那个加碧 离奇的感觉，还是用 pistachios。I use pistachios to add the crispy texture into it, so it's a hint of sweetness and with this very, very delightful texture of crispiness. It's so good. 真的很好吃，真的很好吃。
是马吉啊？
你吃在中间，你吃哦，那个脆你吃到好好吃哦，很好吃哎！哇塞，完蛋。
For the full review,
please click on the link in the description box below. 完整评价请看以下连结哦。And again, you're welcome. 还有不客气哦。Collaborations, or if you want to join our next event, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell and share. You can also add me online at Tinkeebellezza, Tinkeebellezza. Make sure the T is capital and send us a message first so we don't miss you. You can also add us online by our QR code. Make sure to follow and like us on Facebook as well at fashionecsta. That's www.facebook.com/fashionecsta. Follow us on Instagram at fashionecstasy. Also my personal account at tanya.fashionecstasy. We are also on Twitter at fashionecstasy and my personal account at shutanya. It's HSUTANYA. For more, just visit our website at fashionecstasy.com. Just Google search Fashion Ecstasy or in Chinese 时尚高潮. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. We upload videos every weekend, sometimes Friday, sometimes Saturday, sometimes Sunday, depending on my disability status. 谢谢观赏，旁边每个周末都会上传影片哦，记得按订阅、按赞、分享哦，铃铛要开启。